Welcome to the Dental Hub. At the Dental Hub, we're committed to providing you with the most exceptional care in a compassionate and friendly atmosphere. Today we are going to know some interesting topics about dental health.
Dental crowns. Dental crowns are commonly used to restore damaged or weakened teeth. They are tooth-shaped caps that are placed over the existing tooth to improve its appearance, strength, and function. Here's some information about dental crowns. Purpose: dental crowns are primarily used to protect and strengthen teeth that are damaged due to decay, fractures, or extensive dental work like root canals. They can also be used to improve the appearance of misshapen or discolored teeth. Types of crowns. Various types of dental crowns are available, including porcelain fused to metal (PFM) crowns, all ceramic or all porcelain crowns, metal crowns, gold or silver colored, and zirconia crowns. The choice of crown material depends on factors like aesthetics, durability, and the specific needs of the patient. Procedure. The process of getting a dental crown typically involves multiple visits to the dentist. During the first visit, the dentist will prepare the damaged tooth by removing a small portion of its outer structure. An impression of the tooth is then taken to create a custom-made crown. A temporary crown may be placed on the tooth to protect it until the final crown is ready. In subsequent visits, the temporary crown is replaced with the permanent one, which is carefully fitted, adjusted, and cemented onto the tooth. Care and maintenance. Dental crowns require regular oral hygiene practices, including brushing twice a day and flossing. It's important to pay attention to the area where the crown meets the gum line to prevent plaque buildup and gum disease. Avoid chewing hard objects or using the crown tooth for excessive biting force. Routine dental checkups are necessary to ensure the crown remains in good condition and to detect any potential issues early on. Lifespan. The lifespan of a dental crown varies depending on the material used, oral hygiene practices, and individual factors. On average, a well-maintained crown can last between 10 and 15 years. However, with proper care, some crowns can last even longer. If you have a damaged tooth and are considering a dental crown, it's best to consult with a qualified dentist. They will assess your specific situation and recommend the most suitable treatment options for you.
Thanks for watching. We at the Dental Hub strive to treat you with best possible way because your smile is our milestone. Hit the follow and subscribe button.